Students, see exercise 2.1. Question number 2. If the set capital A has 3 elements and the set B has a set containing 3, 4, 5 elements, then find the number of elements in A cross B. Okay, so students, A cross B, if we know that if capital A contains m elements and capital B contains n elements, then number of elements in A cross B are m into n. Solution here a set capital A contains 3 elements and capital B contains 3 elements. Okay, 3 elements. Therefore total number of elements in A cross B will be equal to 3 into 3, that is 9. Okay, now take next question. Question number 3. If capital G equal to 7, 8, okay, and capital H is another set containing 5, 4, 2 elements, 5, 4, 2, then find G cross H and H cross G and H cross G. Okay, student. So solution here, write the elements in G. Here G equals to 7, 8, H equals to 5, 4, 2. Therefore, what will be G cross H? G cross H. 7 into multiply, 7 into order pairs. So 7, 5. फिर 7, 4, 4. फिर 7, 2. Then link this 8 with all these 3 elements. 8, 5, 8, 4 and 8, 2. So this is G cross H. Now H cross G. This will be set containing the order of H cross G 5, 7. First element will be from H set 5, 7, then 5, 8, then 4, 7, 4, 8, 4, 8, then 2, 7, and 2, 8. So student, this is H cross G. Okay, now next question is, suppose if question number, I am taking question number this 5, question number 5. If capital A equals to -1 and 1, this is a set containing -1 and 1, that is set A. Okay, then find A cross A. Okay, so first of all, let us find this A cross A. Solution A cross A equals to, see here, -1 and 1. A cross A means this -1 and this 1. This will relate with again -1 and 1. This will relate with -1 and 1. So we will get a set -1 -1 -1 1 1 -1 and 1 1. This will be A cross A. Okay, and A is again this, therefore A cross A, this will be this complete set -1 -1 -1 1 1 -1. Okay, then this is 1 1 and cross again these two elements -1 -1 -1 and this 1 -1 and 1. This is again A -1 and 1. Okay, see here, this set अभी क्या होगा, A क्रॉस A निकालना है हमको, A क्रॉस A, तो ट्रिपलेट मिलेगा आपको। देखो ट्रिपलेट इक्वल टू, सो ये जो ऑर्डर पेयर है -1 -1, तो ये -1 के साथ में पहले करो, तो ये मिलेगा -1 दिस वन -1, ये क्रॉस A, तो ये दोनों पहले, बाद में ये वाला, फिर ये जो मिलेगा -1 दिस वन दैट -1, फिर मिलेगा ये 1 -1 1 -1 और ये -1, फिर मिलेगा ये 1 1 और ये -1। अभी ये 1 के साथ में ट्रिपलेट बनाओ, तो मिलेगा -1 और ये 1, फिर मिलेगा -1 1 और ये फिर से 1। ओके, फिर से 1 -1 1 and ये 1। अभी ये 1 -1 1 -1 and this one, then this 1 1 1 1 1 1. So this will be your complete A cross A. So we are getting triplets here. In this way we can find out triplets also. Okay, students, now see next question, question number 7. Let capital A equals to a set containing two elements 1 2, B equals to 1 2 3 4, C equals to a set containing 5 and 6 elements, and D equal to 5 6 7 8. Okay, you have to verify that A cross B intersection C equals to A cross B intersection A cross C, and second one, A cross C is a subset of A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Okay, student, so now see how to, let us see the first one here. I am taking this one first. Let us find out B intersection C. Okay, to directly we can find the value of left hand side in A cross B intersection C. Now what is A? A is 1 2 cross. What is B intersection C? B or C? B is 1 2 3 4, C is 5 6, so B intersection C is 5, so this will be 5 1 2, and Cartesian product of 1 2 and 5 will be 5. Okay, so this is the left hand side, this is number 1, left hand side. Now let us take A cross B. Now A cross B, what is A? A is 1 2 cross. What is B? B is 1 2 3 4. Therefore A cross B will be a set containing the order pairs 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4, then 2 1 2 1, 2 2, 2 3 and 2 4. Okay, this is your A cross B. Now A cross B and A cross C also, and similarly find out A cross C. So what is A? A is 1 2 cross C. C is 5 6 7 8. 5 6 7 8. This is a set C. Therefore A cross C, so it will be set of order pairs 1 5 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8, then 2 5 2 6 2 7 and 2 8. Okay, therefore take the intersection. Therefore A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross C. See, this is A cross C, this is A cross C, and this is A cross B. Take the intersection. Is there any elements common? 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4. So here it is not 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4. 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4. No. 2 5 2 6 2 7 2 8. So that is equals to 5. Okay. So this is 2. So from 1 A cross intersection B intersection C is equal to 5, and A cross B intersection A cross C is also equals to 5. Therefore from 1 and 2 we say that A cross B intersection C equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. Hence proved, number 1. Now come to second. See second one. In second, A cross C, can A cross C is a subset of B cross D. तो पहले हम A cross C निकालते हैं. A cross C 1 2 cross C is 5 6. C is 5 6. Therefore A cross C, it will be set containing order of 1 5 1 5, then 1 6 2 5 2 6. This will be a set that is A cross C. Now find out A cross C हो is a subset of B cross D. तो B cross D निकालते हैं. B cross D, what is B? B is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 cross. What is D? 5 6 7 8. 5 6 7 8. Okay, so this will be right B cross D. So पहले तो 1 के साथ में लगाओ. 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8, then 2 5 2 5 2 6, then 2 7. Okay, then 2 8. Okay, then 3 5 3 6 3 7 3 8, then 4 6 4 5 4 6 4 7 4 8. So this is the set, this complete set. This is B cross D. Now see, is there any common order pair? A cross C 1 5, is there 1 5? A cross C, yes, 1 5 is here. 1 6 is also here. 2 5 is also here. 2 6 2 6 sub means all the order pairs in set A cross C are present in B cross D. Therefore I am writing this is A and this is B, suppose from A and B. Therefore A cross C is a subset of B cross D. A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Okay, since all the elements in A cross C, elements of A cross C are present in B cross D. Therefore A cross C is a subset of B cross D.